Back to my channel. Today is going to be the first day that I introduce you to my new project. Before I explain too much of what I want to do and how I want to change my room, I want to show you what it looks like right now. So when you walk into my room, this is what it looks like. Over here I have my nightstand and there's just some decorations under here. I have this lovely mirror, hello. I have some shelves, this giant picture. This is what my bedding looks like. I have hanging chairs and decorations over there. I don't really have a great spot for these right now. These are like my little lap desks. I do all my schoolwork on this one, and this one is for like painting and for absolutely just drawing. You can see there's paint on it. Then my desk, there's some decorations and things up here. And there's this little sign. I don't like this. This is gonna go. I have my TV stand and some decorations under there that I would like to change up a little bit. I have my locker. This wire goes across here. Right now I have like these fairy lights on them. They have clips attached to them. So at night they're really pretty. I can put all my pictures on there. I have my locker, and actually I have a hamper that goes right here, but I already moved it. It's in my closet. Since I found something else I'd like to put there for the process of redoing my room. And then this is just my dresser. There's another mirror. That's gonna stay. I really like that there. I think that will still jive with everything else, and then some decorations on there. So as you can see, I have a lot of the colors like gray, pink, gold, and white. So I want to keep that same kind of color scheme, and just adding, you know, some blankets. I want to get a rug and adding some natural wood tones to my room. So I don't have this all planned out, and I'm just going to play it by ear, take it slow so that I can figure out exactly what I want. My mom and I were talking about this, and she said just pick like one section or one part of your room that you want to change and then go from there. So I chose my desk area where I'm right next to right now. And so we actually ordered a new desk yesterday, which is why I kind of want to start this now so you guys could see the before. So I'm going to get a new desk, and also I'd like to change these decorations back here. I don't like this shelf here, and I like this picture, but we're going to have to move it because I want to put two big shelves over here. That's going to be kind of like the first big change. I'm going to get rid of this desk, and I would like to see new shelves up here. And I'm just also going to be going through some of my other decorations in here, seeing what I can change and what I'm going to be exchanging out for new stuff. So that's going to be the first couple changes I'm going to make to my room, and I will see you the next time I have an update. My desk has just arrived. I am going to attempt to put together this desk. My camera is gonna die. Shoot, hold on 1 second. The camera just died, so now I'm filming on my phone. But my desk is here. I'm gonna try putting this together on my own, but before I can do that, I have to take this desk out of here and empty it out, and that's gonna take a second. Also, this lovely box came, which is a plant that I would like to put next to this locker, although we're gonna see how it works. I tried putting a different one here before and it didn't really work. It was too big and it just didn't really look right in here. So I'm gonna try to put this one here in a second after I clear out my desk and assemble this one. But let's begin. I've gotten about this far. I'm actually not sure how much you guys can see, but it's time for a lunch break, so I'll be right back. And then I'm going to finish this. I'm just gonna clear the top of this or organize the top of this, and then we'll be done for today. And we have my plant. I don't want to forget about my plant. I'm really excited to do that. Okay, it's getting pretty late now, but my desk is all set up, it's all organized, and I'm really loving it a lot. But before I go to bed, I really want to open up my plant. Don't hate it. I really like how tall it is in comparison to my locker. It's exactly what I was looking for. I know the pot isn't the prettiest, okay, I'm aware, and if we were gonna go with this one, I was already planning on getting like a cute basket or something to put this plant in, but I really like this plant. I think I'm gonna keep this one actually. It's really cute. Now we have to order some sort of thing to put as this, because I'm not keeping that as a black pot. I think that was a great way to end the night. Like I said, I wasn't really too confident in that one. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not, but I really like it. So I'm gonna fool around with this a little bit to make it look exactly how I want it to look. I'll probably look for a good base or pot or basket, whatever that I really like to put it in. And I will see you guys next time I have an update. Hey, I moved the plant. I really like it, and I am gonna keep this specific plant, but after stepping back and looking at it next to my locker, it didn't look exactly how I thought it did. It was just kind of weird. It was just shoved there. It was too tall next to another tall thing, and so it just didn't really look right to me, but I put it next to my desk, and I love it. Obviously, I'm gonna move this later. That's not gonna stay there, and I am gonna get a new pot for that, like I said. But I like it a lot better next to my desk. So that's where it's gonna live now, and I think that should be the last update today. I'll see you guys later. There's been a couple changes since the last time I saw you guys. First of all, I got this new lamp. I like the lamp itself, although I'm not quite sure yet how it's gonna fit with the rest of my room. So I'm gonna be keeping my eye open for other lamps in case I find something I like a little better, and definitely leave the tag on that because, like I said, not 100% sold. That might be going back, might not. I don't really know yet. However, today my mom and I went to Home Goods, which is really exciting because first of all, I haven't been inside a store since 2019 and it's currently 2021, but also because I've done all my shopping online so far, so being able to go into the store and see what things look like in person was really helpful. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so I kind of just got everything in front of me. I got a pile, and so I'm just gonna go through it all. First, I have this plant. It reminds me of sort of a small aloe vera plant, but it's really cute. I like the pot and everything. So I thought maybe I could put this on my dresser. I just knew I'd find a spot for it. I really like it. I also found this really cute frame. It fits the style really well, and I knew that I could find a place for this. So I got that as well. I also got this giant pot in hopes that I can put the big plant that I got the last time I saw you guys that's next to my desk in here. Obviously it's a lot cuter, but I'm not 100% sure it's gonna fit. We're gonna have to try that in a second. It's really cute though, I really hope it does. Fingers crossed on that one. I also got this cute box. I figured maybe I could put it on my dresser or something. I don't really know what I'd put inside of it. I'd probably use it as more decoration than a functional item, but I got this. And then the last few things that I got is one is this blanket. It's really comfortable and fuzzy, and I just thought it was really cute. I also got this blanket, which is also really cute and also really fuzzy. And then I got this giant basket thing to hopefully put these throw blankets in, maybe some decorative pillows or whatever when I don't have them on my bed. The only thing is, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. Possibly next to my locker or over here next to my hanging chair. I hope I can find a good spot for it because it's really cute. But now all that's left to do is fool around with this stuff, see where I'm gonna put everything, and I'm really excited. I really hope everything works. Oh my gosh, I just dropped my camera on the ground. It's a new day. My mom and I are currently on our way to like a local business in our area where they refurnish furniture and do stuff like that. But also, there's a lady who works there who makes like custom-made macrame tapestries. So we're just gonna go in and we're gonna see what we can find. We made it home and we really only found a couple things at that store, which is okay, but there's also a couple changes to my room that I made that I'm going to show you. So first of all, I got this vase. I don't really think I'm going to put anything in it. I'm probably just going to use it as decor. And then we also got this big faux plant. I'm obviously going to have to play with it a little bit to make it look exactly how I want it to look. But this is the best one I found. I really wanted to get like a nice long plant that would hang off one of my shelves. And this is like the perfect one. Now for the rest of my room, I did a little rearranging. I ended up switching the spots where my desk was and where my chair was. And I honestly love it. I just really like how when you walk in, the first thing you see is that plant. So I really like that there. And I am gonna keep this basket. It might not add anything to my room, like with it's just outstanding presence, but I really like it as a functional item. I love being able to put the blankets or the pillows I'm not using in there, and I'm just way more likely to sit in my chair when it's over here. Now we're hoping to get a macrame thing to put over top my desk. And when we were at that store today, you might have noticed one of the macrame things that I saw there, and that was like my favorite one. It was really, really cute, but it was like that beige kind of tan color, and I really need it to be white, especially hanging over my white desk. You'd really notice that it wasn't pure white. But like I said before, the lady who works there makes them, like, can custom make them. So if we don't end up finding one that I like better than that, we could try to see if we could have her make me one. So don't think I ended up showing this to you guys, but I filled that frame that I put on my dresser. I ended up kind of getting in the mood to paint something the other day, and I decided to try making line art. And like I said, I'd never tried line art before, but this past semester in school, I took like a drawing class, and we used India ink, so that's what I used to create that picture. And I also really enjoyed making that, so I decided to make a little picture for my aunt who just had a baby. And I made these on Mother's Day, so I decided that I wanted to make her a sweet little gift for Mother's Day. Anyways, the only other thing I never showed you, I think, is that box that I got from Home Goods. I ended up putting it in my TV stand. I like it the best there, and because it's kind of hidden away, I will actually be able to use it as a functional item. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I could always put remotes or movies or anything in there because it's right next to my TV. But anyways, I'm really, really happy with how my room is turning out. I'm really loving it. The only few things we have left to do are I want to get a rug. We need to get like a macrame thing or something to put above my desk. And then I just need to finish decorating these shelves above my bed. And that's kind of it. I also found this really cool like garland banner thing that has like the phases of the moon in like gold, and I want to put it under the enjoy the little things sign that's right over here. I want to put it under that. And I think after that we're done, so I'm just gonna try putting this on my shelf, see how I'm gonna move everything, and I'll see you guys later. It's been at least wait, Taylor, I'm filming. Taylor, shh. Thank you. I have a little bit of an update. I've been thinking the only thing I have to finish is this shelf over here, but my aunt has dropped off a new painting. I love it a lot. I mean, anyone who knows me knows I love my cactuses, and it like the pink ombre in it is gonna match really good. So I actually want to switch that and put it up there. It fits in between these two shelves. We don't have to move those at all. Now I'm gonna move this over here, and actually I think it will fit better than this thing, and I want to move this over here. Then that should be just about it. We have Taylor and Ellie here at the moment. They're visiting for a couple days. This is their last night here. And I probably will see you guys once we start hanging some of these and moving these paintings around. I swear everything worked out so good. I just got my dad to hang up these paintings. I moved this one over here, like I said. This one's up above there now. And my bed looks awesome. I mean, my bed itself isn't made right now, but This painting I think looks way better above my bed than that one over there did, and I love it. My walls are completely full now. Like, I'm not gonna hang anything else up. The only thing I have to finish is that shelf. I've decided against getting a rug. I think there's already so much going on in here that I don't really need it. My bed's in the middle, and I mean, I got so much stuff in here. It's just surrounded by things, so I don't really think a rug is necessary, but I just have to finish this one shelf. Today is finally the day. My room is complete. So without further ado, here is the before and after. I mean, what a transformation. I was able to reuse a lot of my stuff while also getting new things that totally changed the feel of my room. I love how it turned out. I'm not sure how much of a tour is necessary. I feel like you were able to see most, if not all of it, just from the before and after video. But I mean, if I really wanted to get into it, there's a lot of like little things here and there that just made it all flow together. Like this screen here is the same green that's over there, and we got a lot of the geometric shapes on this side of the room, which I also carried over here in this gold frame, which has the same hexagons, and the lamp that has the triangles. You've just got the green carried throughout the whole room with different plants everywhere. And this pot matches this pot, which also goes with this camera. So those three things tie together, which are different ends of the room. And then you got the rattan plant, which is next to the rattan basket. And I mean, I could go on. The tassels next to the tassels with the tassel. There are a lot of minor details in this room that really pull it all together. I just couldn't be more happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if there's any other room related video you guys want to see. There's not really anything that I have in mind right now that I can think of, but if you guys have an idea, something you want to see about this room or anything else, let me know. But besides that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!